Hello everyone, this is Renu and our today's topic is metonymy and synecdoche. These are associated based figure of speech. What is an metonymy? Actually, metonymy means name change. What is the meaning of metonymy? Name change. It is the use of a quality for the things. Use of quality for the things. An object is presented by the name of something which is generally associated with it. Actually, an object is shown like a whole group. For example, the bench for the judges. If in any sentence we find bench as a judges, so there we can say in this sentence the figure of a speech that is used, that is metonymy. Another example, purse for money. If I say I don't have purse, so purse is used for money. So here the figure of a speech that is used, that is metonymy. The crown for the kings. So if in any sentence we used crown for the king, so there also we find the use of metonymy. I have read kids. So here kids represents creations of kids. Okay. And last example, chair is respected. So here the chair word shows actually in chairperson, because chair is not respected, chairperson is respected. I hope you understood. Now, synecdoche. What is synecdoche? Actually, we get confused between both, but they are different. What is the difference between both? It is a form of metonymy, though it is a form of metonymy, but it is not metonymy. It's quite different. A part of the whole, or the whole is used for the part. I am a poor creature. So here creature stands for a person. 5 more hands are needed. Hand stands for man, and hands are the part of a body. So in synecdoche we have part of the body as a symbol. All the best brains in Europe could not solve the problem. Here also we find synecdoche because brains are the part of a. Now, what is the difference actually metonymy and synecdoche? Synecdoche is when a part of something is used to refer to the whole part. But in metonymy, something is used to represent something related to it. Actually, when a word is related, associated, but not the part, there we find metonymy. But when we find a part as a symbol, there we find synecdoche. The pen is mightier than the sword. So here in this sentence, pen stands for writer and sword stands for soldiers. So these are used by the writer and soldiers, but not physically part. So this is metonymy. Next example, he has many mouths to feed. So here mouth, part of the body. So here which figure of speech is used? That is synecdoche. I hope you understood. Metonymy, a different word, is used to symbolize, while in synecdoche part is used to show the whole group or thing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like and share it, and do not forget to subscribe our channel.